Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
The Vivo Nex A will run on Android 8.1 Oreo, with FunTouch OS 4.0 skin on top. The device will feature a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with an aspect ratio of 19:9. The Nex A will sport a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. In terms of performance, Vivo Nex A will be powered by the Snapdragon 710 SoC coupled with Adreno 616 GPU. In terms of memory, the Nex will offer 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage. Coming to the camera department, the Nex feature a dual camera setup consisting of a 12MP primary camera and a secondary 5MP camera assisted by an LED flash. On the front, the devices will sport an 8MP pop-up selfie camera. The Vivo Nex A will be powered by a 4000 mAh battery with quick charge support, and connectivity options will include dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5 LE, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack and USB Type-C port.